In this video tutorial, I will show you how you can verify your website with Google Search Console account without help of any plugin and using HTML file. So make sure to watch this video and complete all the steps. So first of all, you need to search for Google Search Console. From the results, open the first result. On the next page, click on Start Now. On the next page, you need to click on the left top of the page, where you can see a drop down, and now you need to click Add Property. In this prompt, you need to choose the type 2, which is URL prefix, and enter the website address below. Make sure to enter your correct address, whether it is HTTP or HTTPS. It's important. Click on verify, and here you need to download the file. So first of all, you need to download this file. In the next step, you need to log into your hosting account. So here are some popular hosting providers, and basically we need to go to cPanel, and our final destination should be public HTML folder. So in my case, I am using HostGator as my hosting account. So in my case, I will go to cPanel of HostGator account, but in your case you need to find your own cPanel for your hosting account. So click on hosting, and then you will find the list of domains in case of if you are using HostGator. And then in front of the website, click on manage. So this is basically the cPanel for HostGator. It may be different for your hosting provider. I have already provided you the path for reaching the cPanel for your hosting account. Search for file manager and open the file manager. From here on, the step will be same for all of the hosting accounts. So when you're in file manager, click on public HTML. It is our final folder, and we need to upload the downloaded file here. So just drag and drop or use the upload button for your hosting provider. Once uploaded, go back and click on verify in Google Search Console account. So ownership verified successfully. So I hope you liked this video. Make sure to subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.